not broken. It's baby, Ma. It's a baby. Nithyananda. So this morning, while I was in the temple, going from the Abhishekam for the Boulevard Abhishekam, I was crossing the temple over to go to the Kalabhairava Abhishekam, and as I was walking across the center section of the temple complex, today is Sunday, so there's a huge crowd and a lot of people. But I heard this small sound, and it was a baby parrot. And I looked over, and there was a baby parrot that had gotten stuck. It had gotten trapped in the corner by the temple, and it was there, and it was crying. And so I heard the baby, and I see that nobody is doing anything for the baby parrot. Everybody's just walking by and passing by. And so I knew I had to do something to help this parrot, because it was in the inside part of the temple, and this baby parrot was such a baby that it didn't even have all of its feathers yet. So it must have been learning to fly, and it fell out of the Gopuram and it got stuck. And so unless it was moved, it would not be able to fly out. It was trying to fly. It cannot fly that yet. So anyhow, I went and got somebody from the temple to help, and we went and picked up the baby parrot and went to the kitchen and got it some grapes and fed the baby parrot some grapes, and then we took the baby parrot to the trees and put the baby into the trees where the other parrots are. So the baby had fallen out of the Kili Gopuram. This Gopuram is known as the Parrot Gopuram. Here at the Arunachala Temple, parrots are very sacred for many, many reasons. But one of the things that I find very beautiful in the context of this parrot, so parrots are like, they represent the Vak Shakti. They are known to repeat, right? So they make sound, and they are repetition. So they symbolize like a repeat japa, like the japa. And so when you put the parrot, which is the Vak Shakti, with the Arunachala Agni, the jnana, the two together become a realization. That's Shravanya, Manana, and Nidhyasana. So I thought that was a really beautiful symbolization about the parrots here. And, you know, the parrots also symbolize Devi, Devi's energy, Meenakshi, and Kamakya, Lalita Tripurasundari. So anyhow, I was really happy to be able to save that baby parrot and bring him to a place where he can be taken care of by the other parrots. There's so much beautiful things that happen here every day, and I find a peacefulness in seeing things that maybe most people are not seeing. So when you bring that conscious awareness in that Paramashanta Swarupa that Swamiji Bhagavan Nithyananda Paramashivam has initiated us into, and you're in the now, in the space of now, when things like this arise, you're able to, you know, simply take care. So there's so many people walking by unconscious and unaware, and so I'm grateful to have had a hand in taking care of this baby here at the temple this morning with Arunachala. Thank you, Swamiji Nithyananda. No, it's not broken. It's baby, Ma. It's a baby.